To access your Toyota's meter settings, locate the DISP or Info button on your steering wheel. Press and hold this button for at least 3 seconds. The multi-information display will show the meter settings menu with various customization options available. Use the steering wheel arrow buttons to scroll through menu options. Press the OK or Center button to confirm your selections. Your settings will automatically save after 5 seconds of inactivity. No manual save is required. Your Toyota can store up to 3 different driver profiles, each with individual meter preferences and settings. Toyota instrument clusters offer extensive display customization options. You can choose between traditional analog gauges or modern digital displays for your speedometer and tachometer. Warning preferences allow you to customize maintenance reminders, speed alerts, and fuel level notifications. These settings help keep you informed about your vehicle's status and driving conditions. Animation settings let you personalize the visual experience of your instrument cluster. You can adjust startup sequences, needle sweep patterns, and transition effects to match your preferences. Secondary information displays allow you to show up to 6 simultaneous data points on your cluster. This includes trip information, fuel economy, navigation details, and other driving metrics. Select 2024 and 2025 Toyota models feature Toyota Connect Services integration. This allows your meter preferences to sync across vehicles and provides enhanced connectivity options. In hybrid and electric Toyota models, eco-driving metrics are becoming the default primary display. This shift emphasizes fuel efficiency and environmental consciousness in modern Toyota vehicles.